Discover the untold stories of rare and beautiful birds. Welcome to Aotearoa.
Deep in the forests of Aotearoa, a shy and ancient bird steps into the night. Meet the Kiwi, a bird unlike any other on Earth.
It smells through its beak and runs on powerful legs. Wings? Almost invisible.
With an incredible sense of smell, it uncovers hidden life under the forest floor.
In darkness, it feeds with precision. Each Kiwi rules its own territory, fiercely guarding every corner. Even its footsteps tell a story of ancient life.
The duet begins, a pair calling to stay connected.
Bonded for life, Kiwi pairs share a partnership built on trust.
Together, they prepare a safe, hidden chamber deep in the earth.
For months, the
She
male
lays one of
keeps
the largest
egg warm,
eggs relative to
patient,
body size of
loyal,
any bird.
unbroken.
A new Kiwi arrives, assumed, already strong, already determined.
Unlike most birds, Kiwi chicks fend for themselves from day one.
Instinct guides it. The forest becomes its teacher.
Silent and solitary, the young Kiwi learns the rhythm of the night fumu, a world shaped by shadows and scent.
But danger waits. Introduced predators threaten its fragile world.
With protection and care, the Kiwi's story continues, a symbol of resilience.
Each step into this sanctuary is a step towards survival. Here, the Kiwi thrives.
Reintroduced to the wild, the Kiwi finds its rhythm. Each step, each sniff, each caution.
The Kiwi is more than a bird. It is a symbol of nature's resilience. Protected.
Thank you for watching Aotearoa, where rare birds find their story.